Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about how to change the wallpaper on S8 Ultra smartwatch. This is a 4G Android smartwatch. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first thing to do here is to make sure you have your picture or whatever wallpaper you want to use, have it on the smartwatch. So I'm going to download a picture online and use that. So let's go to my Google Go. So I'm going to use a picture. Let me search for one of the artists here in Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to download that. So I have it on my smartwatch. So the next thing to do here is to go to the gallery and check for the picture or your picture you just downloaded. As you can see, I have some pictures here. So this is the one you just downloaded. So here is what you are going to do. You are going to go to the File Explorer. Go to the File Explorer here and select the image option. When you select that, you are going to see the image here, which is this one. Okay, this is what we want to use. So I'm going to select back and select back once again. So I'm going to press hold on that image. As you can see, it has ticked the image here. So the next thing to do is to now select this three dots up here. Carefully select it so that you don't select the scissors option. Now select the set as option. When you select that, you are going to see set as wallpaper, contact photo, or WhatsApp profile photo. Select the wallpaper. That's the first option, and select the set wallpaper. Okay, so when you have done that, it won't be on the wallpaper yet, as in the watch face. As you can see, we still have this. The next thing to do here is to now go to the Google Play Store. So let's go to our Google Play Store. Select your Google Play Store and search for, use the search bar to search for Nova Launcher. Okay, so this is our Nova Launcher app. So you can select any other launcher. You can use the Niagara launcher, which is this one here. This option here, you can use that too, but in this video I'll be using the Nova Launcher app. Okay, so select that and it's going to download. So download and install the Nova Launcher app on your S8 Ultra smartwatch. Now we have successfully installed it. Select the option open and you are going to see your wallpaper there. Okay, as you can see, our new watch face has appeared, but that's not all. Make sure you complete the settings. You can now choose the theme. If you want the theme to be light, you can make it be light. If you want it to be dark, you can make it to be dark, but I prefer the light one. So now set up the Nova settings. If you want the dark theme to be options like this, you can go ahead and check that, but I want it to be this way. If you want the icons to be this icon size, or if you want it to be a little bit bigger like this, you can set it. If you want to be smaller, I prefer it to be the medium size. Okay, you can also use the round if you want it to be round, if you want it to be kind of like square cool, if you want it to be a rounded edge, and if you want it to be flower like a star, you can use that, but I prefer the follow system, so let it just be in box. So you can also go down here and use the search window. If you want it to have search window, you can let it be. Now you can select if you want it to be Google or Google Play Store or .go. So I prefer to use the Google. Okay, and Google Play Store ticked. And if you want the desktop search bar to be there, you can also allow that so that you can have easy access to your apps. If you want weather and date, you can also select that. And once you are done, make sure you tick this option down here. Select the tick option, and there you go. Now go back once again and select the Nova 7 option. Now you are going to see your new watch face on your S8 Ultra smartwatch. So this is what you have here. If you want to go to the options, you can see you have all your apps here running. You can go to your TikTok if you want to go. From there you can do your other stuffs, and that is pretty much it. So this is TikTok. As you can see, it is working. So let me just go out of this place. So this is your new wallpaper. If you want to change the wallpaper, you can still go ahead and change it. Let me show you once again. If you want to change the wallpaper, please, when you select this option down here, it's going to ask you for the launcher. You have to pick the launcher as Nova 7 so that it will permanent the launcher to Nova 7. What the S8 Ultra smartwatch is using is Air Launcher, which you can see here, but I prefer to use Nova 7. So I'm going to select Nova 7 as always, and it will always be on my watch face like this. So you can use your watch like this and you are good to go. Okay, so if you want to change this wallpaper like this, you don't have to go through the route. You just have to go to your settings, go to your file explorer, select that, select the image, and you see some of your image. If you want this image like this, you can just come back, go to the back option, press hold on it, and select the three dots again, select set as wallpaper and select as wallpaper and confirm it. Okay, and you now have your wallpaper as the new one. So it's as easy as that. And if you want to revert it back to the normal one, all you have to do is just to exit the Nova Launcher app and use your hair launcher app. Okay, so once I select that, it's going to revert it back to the Air Launcher app, which you can see here. So it's as easy as that. And if you have any question, please let me know down there in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I remain Babatunde Omotayo, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.